Hi there, welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda, and a big welcome to you. Today, we are going to be utilizing what's in my fridge and in my pantry. Today's recipe is a quick chicken pot pie. The items you're going to need. What I had was 1/8 of a chicken left, so I've diced that up. You're going to need some cream of chicken soup or cream of celery, cream of mushroom, whatever your choice is. And it can be off-brand. It doesn't have to be this name brand here. Some mixed vegetables. For the top, I'm going to use some Southern biscuit mix and some buttermilk. The hubby wanted more veggies in here, so I added a can of whole potatoes. I cut them up, and I added some corn. So any off-brand is fine. And then I dropped my biscuits on top, and we're ready to bake 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. I do want to thank you for stopping in to Challenging Kitchen today. Give this recipe a try. You don't have to put everything in there, but I'm going to tell you what, if you want to feed more people, bulk it up with veggies. Veggies, veggies, veggies. It's a great dinner, and it will feed a lot of people. And when you put those biscuits on top, I'm telling you, it's going to fill their little bellies, and everyone will be satisfied. So thank you once again.